That's a good one too. Oh, look at the bigger one chasing him. Oh, that was about a 5 or a 6 chasing this one. Got one. Oh, it just came off. Ah, bummer. Oh well. I dragged too loose there. See if we can get another one. Cast these over here. I would cast by that fence right there. No. Yeah, but whatever it was like a rope. Weird feeling. Or somebody's line. Yeah, somebody's line. Oh, I got a lure. I caught a socket. Is it a 10 millimeter? Somebody's using a socket out here, huh? Yeah. Okay. I don't know, I can't tell. Let's get it out of the water though. 1,000-pound monofilament. Jesus. It's like a tuna rig. All tangled up in my... Oh boy, I'm gonna cut it. It's all wrapped up in my jig. Look right here. Look at these bait fish being chased out here. You see them?
Oh, is that what all that is?
Yep. That's bait fish being chased. Oh my gosh. I might put on a little underspin. This dog trying to get those ducks. He chased them over here. Huh? Got him! Finally. Got one on the underspin. That's a good one too. That's good fish. Good fish, guys. Oh, look at the bigger one chasing him. Oh, that was about a 5 or a 6 chasing this one. Choked that underspin. She wanted it. Big old fat, look at it, it's still there. It is still there. It's still right here.
Yep.
Can you guys see that one? That's about a 5 or 6 chasing this one. Mondo. Look at that. Choked the underspin. About a 3-pounder. Not a bad fish to start the morning. She come out about 15 foot of water. Slow rolling the underspin on the bottom. Let's see if we get another one. Over here.
Buy one.
Yeah. Like tens of dollars.
More than my tens of dollars.
Something a little pecking at this.
Little?
Yep.
Of course, because I took mine off.
Almost felt like a bluegill. Or whatever it was, small. I wonder if that's one of the houses that just got built that was burnt down. I think these are houses that just got built because they were burned.
They look pretty new.
Yeah, I think these are the ones that got rebuilt.
They got burned, what?
Fire last year, the year before, a couple years ago. They're having a lot of fish, but they're they're not at the bank, they're under us. Oh, lost one. Didn't feel big though. Got it that time. Hooked up on the football jig. Hawkeye. Not a bad fish. Yeah. Right in the top of the head. That Hawkeye football. Not a bad fish. Couple pounds. A little football. Football on a football. You wanted that half-ounce Hawkeyes lures with that living rubber skirt. Yamamoto grub. See if we can get another one.